For outdoor application of seasoned slaked lime decorative finishes, correct preparation and waterproofing of the base is fundamental to produce sequences that maintain over time characteristics that are both aesthetic and functional. Rialto Isocal is a hydrophobic siloxane solution for new and old plasters. If applied by brush until full saturation, it has the capacity to deeply penetrate, creating a hydrophobic barrier in the support system without modifying its breathability. Its high water repellency of siloxane molecules prevents soluble substances such as sulfates and salts from migrating to the surface, which in turn causes the damaging and unappealing efflorescence. Rialto Durasil is a consolidating water-based siloxane primer that allows you to hydrophobize the treated surface. Apply Rialto Durasil by brush until having fully saturated the surface. Wait 48 hours before applying limed-based finish. These highly porous and absorbent clay surfaces show us how Rialto's siloxane primers can effectively preserve structures from damage caused by rain. For further information regarding the application, read the related data sheet.